Listen, the best way to make money is by having people know about your product. And the best way to get people to know about your product in today's day and age is what we call social media, of course, as we already know. Now, Iman is the godfather of using social media to garner attention and to convert those attention eyeballs into sales and recurring customers. So at the very top of his funnel, because this whole thing is a funnel, not a pyramid, this is not a pyramid scheme, but a funnel, we look at Iman's Instagram, his TikTok, his YouTube, and of course, his Twitter, okay? But the thing that I want to focus specifically on is the best way he makes money with the 4.8 million followers he has on YouTube to push them through a funnel from being unaware of him and their own problems all the way to product aware buying his product. So you'll notice that Iman actually has this little thing called a link in bio, but we're going to get there in a second. But if you go to his YouTube, you'll also notice that he takes a random stranger who does not know that they have a problem and makes them aware of their problem by posting a video, something like this. Hey guys, listen, I get it. You guys don't have any money and you should probably be making money. So now he's targeting people who are literally broke to going ahead and starting to be not broke by making money. But you're confused because now you're aware that you actually have a problem, which is being broke, but you don't know how to fix it. So he makes a follow-up video to this by saying that if you want to make $10,000 to not be broke, then do this as a student, which is create a business. But what business is there to create? Because now there's a bunch of opportunities out there. You don't know which one to select. He'll make a follow-up video to that by saying that the best business to start is an online business. And the best online business to start is an SMMA, which opens the floodgates to saying that he is the grandfather of this new system called the arbitrage economy, which funnels you straight down to the link in his bio, which I just mentioned earlier, which goes to one of his many products. The first one being Digital Launchpad, meaning that he just launched this product. So you go into the link in bio and it brings you to this, which goes from the social media pages to the sales page, which is a 4-line headline, VSL, straight to sales letter, to a little mock-up, to a checkout page of $37 a month to pay for his actual product. Okay, so Iman Gadzhi himself is taking attention from social media, pushing them straight to a sales page to convert those eyeballs into interactions from interactions to transactions, okay? Now, the way that he does this simply is by making a VSL, which takes your objections, the fact that you don't think this will work, the fact that you don't think that you could do this because you're not worthy of making money, or maybe because you feel like you're different and unique. He'll break these objections down in this VSL, video sales letter, or in the actual written sales letter here with big, bold headlines, making your first $1,000 because it's a simple task when you have this. And of course, this being the product. And the only way you get the product is by spending $37 a month. Now, if we do a very, very conservative conversion rate on this, a 1% or 0.1% conversion on the 8 million people that watch the video that push to this page, we can see that his monthly recurring revenue is somewhere around the ballpark of $3 million, paired up with his other courses, Agency Navigator, Gadzhi, and those other products that I'm breaking down now. So if you don't actually go to the Digital Launchpad, you're probably going to be brought over to Agency Navigator, where Iman made his start in the space. He had IAG Media, and then he came out with a course called Agency Navigator, explaining exactly how to grow your own agency, which is this, okay? So you are now aware that you need to start an SMMA because this is what Iman has been telling you from the get-go. So you go to this page, you have a headline that says from $0 to $10,000 a month with your own ROI marketing agency. You're ramped up, you're excited, you watch his VSL, his video sales letter, you click the button, you want to reserve your spot, you go down, you see the mock-ups, everything looks interesting, everything looks fun, it looks unique, it looks like you're going to be the only one being able to access this amazing opportunity. And then you hit this page right here, which is the call to action, the CTA, where it's $1,400. Actually, now it's $1,500, and you're going to have to pull out your credit card and pay Iman Gadzhi. Once you do this, you're going to get booked onto a call with him where he will upsell you further courses, products, and other things that you probably will use in his ecosystem. And if that wasn't bad enough, let's go over to his other company, Gadzhi. Now, when I say bad, I don't mean like Iman's a bad person for making you spend money. But the thing with these gurus that I'm going to be breaking down in all of my videos that I make is that they don't actually do the things that they're telling you to do. They're just selling you the dream and watching you fail because you don't have the correct blueprint. And by the way, if the system worked, Iman would be doing the system and not selling you the system. Make sense? So use this so you can actually build your own funnel and sell your own dreams and all the things that you want to sell. But this is probably the only thing that I would say that Iman actually has to his name that's actually really good quality, which is his Gadzhi glasses, which is a little e-commerce store. For $95, you get a pair of sunglasses coined by Gadzhi, obviously, as we see. And at the time of recording this video, he was all sold out. But this would be the call to action button right here, which would take you out to a checkout page where you would buy these glasses and they'd be shipped to your house, okay? No upsells, no downsells. It's a simple e-com store. But if you look, this is Iman's funnel, top to bottom. And if you want to copy this, you got to start at the top. And the simplest way to do this is by having some social media pages, posting some lifestyle stuff on your Instagram, posting some reels on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and maybe some Facebook, but mainly by getting people to move through a funnel, taking them through the problem that you're about to solve. Top of funnel, totally unaware of you and your system and even their own problems, making them problem aware by making videos about the fact that they've never thought about these things before and they should begin thinking about them. And while you're doing that, also explain the fact that you are the person to guide them through the solution of solving these problems so that they're not left in the dust. And then you can push them over to a sales page right down here, like Iman has done multiple times, to, of course, upsell and charge all of you guys so that you actually become paying customers of him. I hope you guys like this one. If you do, then smash the like button and call me, 315-767-3199, 315-767-3199. I will build you out a funnel, build you out a business, and you won't have to do anything because I love you guys and I want to support you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.